Hi neighbors, welcome back to another video of Cooking with Neighbors. It is I, Jerry Ellen, and in today's video we're making a copycat recipe, and I am doing this in collaboration with my two besties, Mel from Cooking with Cousin Mel and Linda from Create with Linda. I'm going to go get started. So, Taco Bell sauce. Like I say, because I want to get this refrigerated, I'm going to get it started because this evening we're having tacos. So yeah, so if you haven't already seen Mel and Linda after this video, go check them out. They're doing a copycat as well today. This is a tin of tomato paste, okay, 156 mils. I'm just going to cook a little bit of the rawness off, just a few seconds. You don't, this step I sometimes do, I sometimes don't. Medium kind of heat there. Well, I was going to drive to the other town over to pick up the little packets to do like the taste test kind of thing, but with the price of gas, I skipped it. I make this because, I'm just rinsing out this, because we can use a lot more than what you get in a little packet at Taco Bell for our tacos. So we want 3 cups of water. Once you make this once or twice, you'll remember the ingredients. It's pretty straightforward. You know what? I wanted to I'm going to take a little bit of this out from my cornstarch to put in. Okay. A tablespoon of chili powder. I'm using Mexican chili powder. A tablespoon of onion flakes. 3 tablespoons of white vinegar. 1 teaspoon of cayenne, because we're not having it really spicy. And it tastes good whether it's spicy or not, really, to be honest. 2 teaspoons of salt. And I'm going to put a half a tablespoon of cornstarch mixed with some of that liquid that's there. And this is going to simmer away. I'm going to bring it to a light boil kind of thing, like just starting to get to the boiling point. Then I'm going to turn it down because you want to simmer this for like 20 minutes. Because you want to refrigerate this for an hour or 2 anyway. So anywho, yeah, it's unbelievable how very close or almost identical this sauce is. So if you wanted hot sauce, just add another teaspoon of cayenne. If you want it like they're really hot, then you can add like a little bit of pickled jalapeno juice, 2 teaspoons of cayenne, maybe an extra teaspoon of the chili powder. We're going at when this is finished simmering, there's one little thing else, one more thing I want to do. So yeah. My son Andrew, he loved Taco Bell. He loved it. So as it simmers, it's going to get a little darker in color, and I have it on the lowest setting on my burner because I don't want it to get any kind of burn or anything. And I usually just leave it lightly covered or uncovered. You know, it doesn't really matter either way. Always works out. So whatever you feel like. Okay, see neighbors? I'm just gonna turn this off. See how nice and dark that has gotten? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to strain it because of those, remember the onion flakes? Then I'm going to let it cool, refrigerate, and we'll do a tasty poo after I clean up my counter and this cools off. Making a mess there, Jerry. So yeah, just because the onion flakes kind of block it from just going right through. So I'm just moving it around. So I'm going to continue straining that, and we'll be back with a tasty poo. Okay, neighbors, I am going to build a taco so we can do a tasty poo. Yes. So I have some things to dress up my taco, and I just, you know, use regular packaged taco seasoning, but I also put in what I like to do sometimes is just mix a can of Southwestern or Mexican style thing there. Okay. So, anyhow, enough talk, Jerry. Let's build a taco. A little bit of that, and I will put a few peppers, tomato, some cheese, some lettuce, and I put the taco seasoning in there, and sour cream, and our taco sauce. Let's get busy here. Sorry, no other way to do this but to get in there. Now, I would describe this sauce as between a mild and a medium. And I would also describe it as good. I think you should make it. If you like Taco Bell sauce. Yeah. There you have it. In a taco shell. So like I say, oh, make a mess. Yeah. If your family likes Taco Tuesdays and love Taco Bell sauce and stuff, but yeah, it's a few ingredients, you're all done. Anyway, thank you for being here, everyone. Don't forget to check out Mel and Linda. Peace, love, God bless. See you soon.